Hi and good morning. My name is Nur Amani. Now I want to teach you how to counting in Malay. And after you're watching my video, don't forget subscribe, like and share my video. Now we can start counting from 1 to 10. 1, satu, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Okay, that's all. And don't forget subscribe, like and share my video. Bye.